So right now we're watering the soil so to get compacted better, and plus the water on the concrete won't seep into the soil, so it won't get dry easily. Right here, before starting to pour the concrete. So here's the cement mixer already mixing, and if you can see, the end of the chute is connected to the pump. So there's two machines here, the mixer and the pump. So that once they pour the concrete here, the pump will pump the concrete down up towards the back. And we'll be making video once they start pouring the concrete. So right here, the hose goes all the way back here to the work area. Okay, now we're starting to pour the concrete from the concrete mixer, or just a sample, I guess. Okay, now we're pouring the concrete. Right here. So no more mano y mano for pouring the concrete. It's all machine. And then they have this straight bar that's going to be used for grading. Right there. Okay, now we're starting to grade the concrete level. So one is pouring while the other one is grading. And this is Martin, the project manager. Yep. So today is gonna be the project's gonna be done. So while they're pouring the concrete, somebody's bringing the rebars up so that you're gonna have concrete cover for the rebar so it won't corrode, and also so that the strength will be there on the concrete, because if you leave the rebars down all the way down, then it's not going to be working its strength. So you have to have the rebars kind of up in between the concrete. All right. So now it's doing the final finishing of the concrete. So the initial grading was this bar right here, the straight edge, and now they're doing the final finishing. Almost done. Yeah. Next project.
Next project in the front.
Yeah.
The Rosario.
Cada quien, cada cual. Sigue mal, oye. Pero no me salgas al rato. ¿A dónde vas hoy, güey? No sé, jardín. No mames. Pero no.
Now it's time to smooth up the concrete. So the pouring of the concrete was very fast, and now they're finishing it. Of course, with mariachi music. Very good. Now they're putting the edging.
¿Dónde nos quedamos?
La cola.
¿La cola? ¿Qué no siente?
Right there. And then they're gonna put some line breakage, so just it stops the crack. Because this one will stop the crack also. So if it's rounded, it's less stress, and there'll be no cracking hopefully. Then they're gonna put another one going from this side to this side, and then across, like in segments, so that it won't crack.
Aquí no, en esquina, ¿no?
Ponte ahí. Tú ponte ahí en la raya. Nomás danos fuerte.
So they're putting the perpendicular now.
Ponte en el abajo. Ahí así, ahí estoy.
Ahí está cosa.
Ok, lo voy a bajar. Pues.
Stop.
Ahí sí. Pero tírale más. Perfecto.
So now he's putting the cut on the concrete so that it stops from breaking. It's all about science.
Nomás dame.
The other guy is smoothing it out. It's like a stop drill so that it relieves the stress on the concrete. Trópico.
Sí. Y cada día es un polo ya. Un poco chavaleado. Sí. No, pues sí. Francisco. Yeah. Sí. Ahorita.
Que tú sí duermes, ¿verdad?
Estaba teniendo la tabla viéndome, yo viendo videos como media hora. Y se enojó y me dio gas. ¿No es por eso?
¿Nomás?
Sí. Luego ya Rafita me reclutó. Me reclutó, sí, ya me reclutó. Mira.
Cerveza time.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Nice modelo, I like.
Yeah, for the joint trades.
Yeah. This is life here.
¿Ayuda tu patrón? ¿Ayuda? ¿You want one?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Ya no va a pagar, ahora en pedazos.
Thank you very much.
No.
You'll be on YouTube. Gracias. Thank you.
We're gonna. Vamos. You too.
Is it need the cerveza so that the cut lines will be straight? So this is they're enjoying while working. So this is probably not worth it because they're enjoying everything. So the finishing of the concrete. That's pure talent. This is how to work. Drinking while working. That's very good. Doing the final texture of the concrete. After smoothing it out, doing a final texture using a broom. So the design will be like this. So it's gonna be a crisscross. Second to the last part of the project is getting rid of the concrete right there. So now it's hand-to-hand combat for the finale of the concrete.